Hey everyone! Welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Today, we're going to tackle something super important if you're diving into app development: how to download and install the Flutter SDK on your Windows 10 PC. Now, maybe you've tried before but got stuck somewhere, or maybe you don't know where to start at all. Either way, it can feel a bit confusing because Flutter has a few setup steps, and missing one can cause errors later on. But don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through each step clearly so you can have Flutter up and running without any headaches. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start building beautiful apps with Flutter on Windows 10. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to the official Flutter website at flutter.dev. On the homepage, click on Get Started, then choose Windows as your operating system. Here, you'll see the Flutter SDK download link. Click to download the latest stable Flutter SDK zip file. Once downloaded, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder and extract it to a folder where you want to keep Flutter. I recommend somewhere easy to access, like c:\Flutter. Now, you need to add Flutter to your system's path variable. This lets your PC recognize Flutter commands from anywhere. To do this, open the Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Click Edit the System Environment Variables, then click Environment Variables at the bottom. Under System Variables, find and select Path, then click Edit. Click New and add the full path to the Flutter bin folder. In my case, it's c:\Flutter_bin. Click OK to save. Open a new command prompt window and type Flutter Doctor and press Enter. This command checks your setup and tells you if you need to install anything else, like Android Studio or device drivers. If everything's set, you'll see a checklist showing what's ready and what's missing. Follow any remaining instructions Flutter gives you, and you're good to go. And that's it! You've just downloaded and installed the Flutter SDK on your Windows 10 machine, setting the foundation for building amazing cross-platform apps. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.